Hello, everybody. My name is Enrique Moises Suarez Monja. I am from Peru and I am Peruvian. I live in Chiclayo and I am 24 years old. Today is my friend day. I this new job, so I am very happy to meet you all. I would like to tell you a little about myself and my preferences. I really like Peruvian food, especially chicken and rice. I love listening to music because it helps me relax. I also like home for warmth and spending time with my family. I don't like eating very spicy food and I don't like waking up very early. I hate cleaning my room, but I love studying and learning new things. I like listening to different kinds of music and I love especially my free time do activities that I enjoy. Thank you very much for listening. It is a pleasure to meet you all.